Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you home remedy for malaria, typhoid and cold, running nose. So guys can see the item here. So guys can see, and this lemon grass, mix them together. You wash it very well. There is scent leaf inside. This is scent leaf inside. So there are 3 items here. We have lemongrass, we have moringa, we have scent leaf. So you wash them very well and put them in the fire. See, is how you do it. You make sure wash it very well because of sand. Then you put enough water and put it on the fire and leave it like 15 to 20 minutes. Then you fetch it. Allow it to cool before you drink it. Morning and night. Take it like that, like 3 to 4 days. If you are having cold or malaria or typhoid, running nose, everything will disappear. So this is home remedy. It's a simple video that I want to show you guys. So I'm adding water now to put it in the fire. It's a very nice home remedy for malaria and typhoid, cold, running nose, and all those body pain. You work so many things in the body. So people know the work of lemongrass, the work of moringa and scent leaf. It's a very powerful leaf. Those 3 items, very powerful leaf that I combine to cook and kill malaria, typhoid and cold, like all this running nose, catarrh. So I'm going to put it in the fire now and leave it like 15 to 20 minutes. Can leave it almost 25 minutes also. So keep watching. So guys can see, I'll put it on the fire. So I'll leave it like 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes you cook it, you leave it like 25 minutes, depends. So if you like, cover it. If you like, don't cover it. It doesn't mean. But allow it to boil very well so that you drink it. You allow, if you fetch it, the water, allow it to cool before drinking it. If not, you burn your mouth. So that is all for home remedy for malaria, typhoid and cold. Please don't go away without subscribe, comment and share. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. See you. Bye.